The name of the first 20 candidates in order of merits in SSLC examination 2022. Ame Ba'ai Hun Shishak Harbi. First, share with R. Ghadib Saha, private institution. Menang Mankrau Kharkongor, St. Anthony Higher Secondary School. Share with Rila Akor Lamare Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School. Third, R. Ghadib Ghosh Sherwood School. Fourth, Webhanong Tru Lakiang North Liberty Jawai. 5. Freddie Langkoi Sacred Heart Boys Shillong. 6. Tri Arshan 6th version Ilyasar Christian Academy. Labet Pala Shisha Marwain Senior Higher Secondary School Shillong. Subhamita Chori MB Rosewood Secondary School Tura. 7. Srijita Paul Holy Child High Secondary School Shillong. 8. Lanyo Kerpang Nongrum Holy Angels Secondary School Bhoi Rembong Bhoi. 9. Nice Parvin Begum Bhajbari Higher Secondary School Bhajbari. 10. Fatima Jasminara Begum Bhajbari. 11. There are 3 in 11 portion. Sapibet Warjari Brookside from Shillong. Yainet Kem Lindem, a private institution. Biambong E Sangman, private institution. Yeah, very good, some private, so there are many. 12th position, Ferry Feli Risawan, Fila Risawan, St. Mary High School Shillong. 13. Pila Wante Christian Academy and Jasmika Shila Sinat High School Shillong, mostly are from Shillong. Muhammad Abrarul Haq, 14th position, Shillong Jill Roads Boys High School Shillong. Balasuk Miria Light Mukra Bengali Secondary School Shillong. Priyo Jyoti Sharma Gorkha Patshala High School Shillong in 14th position. 15. Givin Christian Academy. Sohan Thapa private institution. Okay. 16. Abhijit Dev St. Anthony Higher Secondary School. Ajitesh Christian Academy. Deme Pinshingan Anderson High School Nongstoin. Okay, good, from Nongstoin, just one. Edigio Payashala Sacred Heart Secondary School Bindi Hati. 17. Hame Bansan Marpana All Saint Daisen High School Shillong. And Felicia Dan Jantia Secondary School Jawai. Okay, Jawai, there are 2. London Nongstoin London, Bhoi London, Garu London, Kibun Kibar Jalaru. 18. Richmond Divini Ora St. Anthony Shillong. 19. Pidanwayar Lai Sausan R. Mebakir Marpana St. Anthony Shillong. Ibalawan Biang Anderson High School. Okay, 2 from Anderson. Tofani Suchang private institution, there are 3 from private institution. Devya Sundar Banerjee Sherwood. Santri Kumari Mishra Sankriti Sherwood. Okay, Sherwood Ladon Jenlangwood. Khatkandai Tanisha Das Sherwood. Umar Farooq Jawahar Nehru High School Hulbari. Ani Trim Hagni Yudan. 20. Sohan Bhattacharjee All Saint Shillong. Naki Safi Lar Rempoti Saint Margaret. Mehdi Masan Mola Jawahar Nehru High Secondary School Hulbari. Kibun Hagni Kiba Rajat Umut Ma Bah, okay, nanong stoin do arngut adon apa Anderson High School, Tenabun Plat Shillong, Tenagaru, and then Naboy Rodon, then Jantia Rukidon. Pagi ni boleh jual.